Hello everyone! Good afternoon! Kumusta kayong lahat? How are you all guys doing? Sana okay lang kayo dyan. Still kicking, alive and kicking, you know. And well, by the way, sorry nga pala sa background natin, no. We're actually here inside our booth sa office namin. So, yun. So today we are going to make another reaction video. So last time we reacted to Sonara's debut music video entitled Tabi. And right now naman, since maingay din tong grupo na to, they're so trending all over social media, I am going to react on Kaya's performance, which is they covered the song Take Down by Huntrix. So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's get it on! Whoa, what a voice. Very maangas, astigid. I don't know, no, pero para sa akin talaga, parang it's really fascinating when a female's voice is so, parang hindi ko siya ma-explain, pero alam mo yung parang maangas, just like what guys do when they sing. So surprised na kaya ding gawin ng mga girls to with their voice. I love it. You know what? Yung ano natin ngayon, yung eksena pagdating sa pagkanta, parang it keeps on evolving, 'di ba? Lalong-lalo na sa mga girl group ganyan. So yes, it's really good and I like this. Parang it's like a challenge and it's really good. Diba? Kudos to the drummers, yung iba nilang kasama nila dyan sa performance nila. Well, amazing. Yes, take down. Yung boses nila parang very similar sa mga original singers ng kumanta ng song na to. Very talaga siya, very similar. Yun, ang taas ng boses nila and I think they really trained well for them to be able to have this kind of voice. Syempre, may mga trainings talaga itong mga girl groups natin, di ba? And yeah, I think makikita talaga sa performance nila kung gaano talaga sila nag-improve. And it really shows here in their performance. What? I love the style when they try to play with their voice. Like, mga ganong klaseng hagod, 'di ba? Tapos yun na nga, yung sinasabi ko, parang kung ano yung nagagawa ng mga guys sa boses nila, yung parang inaastig nila, astig-astig yung atake, ganun din. And it's really good to listen talaga. Parang makaka-proud, parang napaproud ka na, wow, it's really good to listen to this kind of voices. And these girls is really doing great. I love it. I love it. Wala na. Feeling ko kailangan nating mag-impake. Parang na talaga ng girls na-reach na talaga yung peak nila dito sa performance. Kaya pala talaga trending sila. Kasi grabe talaga yung ano nila, yung angas nila, yung personality nila, tapos dagdagan pa ng maraming viewers, na maraming ano, audience. Syempre, mas mamomotivate sila sa performance nila. And yes, nakikita naman dito. Yes. Whoever organized this kind of scene, kind of performance for these girls, kudos to you guys. You did an amazing job for these girls to be able to expose their talents and their hidden, let's say their hidden voices. Kasi I'm sure dito I assume na mas naipalabas nila yung ano nila, yung kung anong meron sila. Well, nakikita naman natin sa mga music videos. I used to watch some of their videos before, but because of busy schedules, so parang alam mo yun na nawala sa mind ko. Pero isa din tong grupo na to, ang Kaya, that where I was looking forward also before. And it's good that they showed up with this kind of performance. Parang pambungad talaga para sa lahat. It's really good.
You're the master of illusion. 나를 속이려 하지마. Look at all the messes that you pulling. But they turn on you to show how can you sleep or live with yourself?
Yes, girls. You can do it. Diba? Kaya ng girls. Kaya talaga ng girls. I love this, girls. Alam mo, parang kahit na falsetto yung ano niya, it's like a falsetto mode of something like, falsetto. Pero kahit na falsetto siya, parang kayang-kaya talaga. Alam ko kasi yung difference na parang falsetto lang, yung puro hangin lang, or kesa sa yung pure talaga na mataas, sa makikita mo na solid talaga. Dito kahit falsetto lang ginawa niya, it's really catchy and parang it's really mind-blowing talaga. What? Yes, girls. Wow. Yay! Palakpakan natin sila. Yes, palakpakan natin sila because they're doing great in this video. I love it. Yes, wala na akong masabi. Talagang kudos to these girls. Boom. Wow. Yes! Siguro kung andun ako, if I'm one of the audience, talagang sisigaw din talaga ako. No, I will be amazed by these girls. Who would ever thought that I could, bring out that that they could brought out that kind of performance using their talent and their voices, 'di ba? Tapos imagine din they are a group. So they are a P-pop group, right? So imagine kung sasayaw din sila while singing, talagang oh my gosh, dapat yung endurance mo. You should have a very undefeated endurance. You should have that kind of endurance that is very strong, endurance that can last I don't know for how many minutes or hours during your performance. So all in all, I enjoyed and I was really shocked, amazed, and I hope these girls would put up more music videos that could still showcase a lot of their hard work and their personality about them. So yeah, I really enjoy. So all in all, with the rating that I wanna give sa video nila or sa performance nila is 10 over 10. Yes. So maraming salamat. That's all for today. I hope that you enjoy my video. Just bear with me, guys, if there are words that I kind of use repetitively. Sometimes it's just this is my second time doing this reaction video, so it's really like sometimes I feel nervous, but yeah, this is really like a practice already for me. So I hope you'll support me. Thank you so much, and please do support Kaya. And yes, subscribe to my channel, Hyvan Vlogs. Thank you so much, guys, and ingat. Bye.